Gateway Classic Cars, or Country Classic Cars. They got a lot of older cars here, but they're usually Midwest cars, so they are going to have rust. Oh, doing some work on the Suburban over there. You can see, we're just going to take a quick peek, show it to you. This is closer to St. Louis than Springfield. Cute little toy. Has some Japanese car. That's kind of cool. Huh. K20. So we're just going to show you the nickel tour because we got to get that and cut the road. Is that pretty? $24,000, 59 Manchero. Huh. Got 80 styles of upholstery in there. We got barns with all this stuff in there. I guess now they're getting sportier cars too. An Oldsmobile Caprice. Ooh. Oh, it's used for George Bush, one of these vice president. Kind of cool. Almost $20,000 though. This is pretty clean. You just have to watch out. Sometimes they had rust behind here. 90, 1500, 12.9. The interior's been redone. Automatic, 4x4. What else? Where's all that? And there's that Suburban. So what was used to Secret Service. It's been used as a daily driver. Got rust on it. And if you go inside the barns, doing a frame. Might be for the Suburban out front. So here's kind of just a quick peek. Time to hit the road. We're running out of time. Wally's, Panic, Illinois. They got souvenirs, t-shirts, RV, Winnebago RV, fresh popcorn, bakery, barbecue, lots of drinks. We got pulled pork. And there you go. 76 gas pumps. Hope you like it.